All right, we've made it to section 40 of the notes. This is the comprehensive final exam review. So what you see in section 40, you just see a bunch of questions over here. And these questions, certainly just you want to read through them. Certainly, I would recommend you read through them. Everything should look familiar to you, though. Nothing should look foreign to you at this point. If it is foreign to you, you probably haven't done enough study or review at this point. And you want to go back and do that. All right, so when you get to this over here, this just reinforces what we've covered in the course. Not everything, of course, but some select problems. So if you look through here, you get 1, 2, 3, yada, yada. Well, let's see how many questions are 20. Now, some people say, what's different about this and the other problems I've given you? There's no answers given here. This is just simply a sample exam where there's a certain number of questions down, but there's no answers. There's no videos. And someone says, well, what do you want me to do about this? You're just going to sit here and solve them all for me? Well, we want you to do that. But here's what's something more important. You need to be able to verify what you're doing is correct. And that's why we give you an answer key. So the answer key, like the prior reviews, have been given to you separately. So they're over here. So you have a question, there's a video, and the blue area is what I would consider work for the problem. If you like, you can click on these videos here. I know this is something that should be familiar to most students. If you click on the video, a web browser will open if your computers are properly configured. And what you can do is you can watch that video. I'm going to play a little bit of it, but not the whole thing.
Okay, one grocery cart can stock a shopping.
Okay. I would recommend you do that. Before you look at a video or a solution, you should work the problem yourself. You should do that for all of these problems. Every single one. Do it for every single problem. This is going to prepare you for taking an exam. The exam is an important exam, and you want to study for it. You want to put a considerable amount of time in studying for it. I also want to go back to the course webpage and talk about another review that's been prepared by the department. All right, so I'm going to go open up another website. I'm going to go to mth100. You should be very familiar with this website over here. What I'm going to do is look at the reviews. If you click on the review section, what's going to happen is another review guide is going to open up for you. All right, you should be familiar with this document as well, and I'll tell you why. We've been using this document to prepare for the other exams. For example, we used the review for exam 1, midterm exam, exam 2. Now we're on the final exam. It can't hurt to review old material. However, we want to concentrate on the final. So I'm going to click on the red link. It'll bring me to that section of the notes. And again, if you look at these notes over here, they're a little different than than my course notes, but these are the review notes. There's a problem, there's a solution to the problem, and there's an answer to the problem. There's also a video. If you want to click on this, a video will open up and you can watch that video. It's important you get to work on this though. What's work? You look at the problems, you make some attempt to solve them, you look at the key, and you look at the video if necessary. All right? You should be doing this for all of these problems. The more work you put in, the better off you're going to be when you get to those exams. Okay, if you get stuck and you don't understand something, please come by during office hours and we'll be more than happy to help you. Come by prepared though. Say, I can't do problem number 2. I don't understand the video. I don't understand the solution. Could you please do that for me? And we'll be more than happy to help you with that. Okay, thank you.